Well, the big concern, I think, in the financials that we got from Facebook yesterday is that their growth is slowing in all kinds of respects, including revenue. Profits were down from a year ago. They're adding fewer users than they have been in prior quarters, which makes sense because the lion's share of Internet users around the world are already on Facebook.
So that was one thing, that the overseas growth is important. Costs are ballooning, I would say. They really are out of control, right?
The costs at Facebook in the first quarter of this year doubled from a year ago, and that's pretty natural for a young company like Facebook. It's spending money on everything you can think of: data centers, hiring people, hiring up a storm, paying them in stock and stock options and restricted shares, marketing its services to advertisers and developers. It's expensive being Facebook.
Well, apparently it's expensive being Facebook, and is that going to worry the potential shareholders when this company goes public, as it's expected to do shortly?
Yeah, that's a fair question. I mean, Facebook hasn't yet gotten out on the road in front of potential investors in its IPO, but it will soon. And you better believe that its spending is going to be one of the questions that get asked. And we've seen some analysts already in the last couple of days highlight spending as a concern for Facebook going forward. Obviously, you have to spend to bolster the business and to continue to give people and advertisers the services and products they want on Facebook, but at some point people will want to see Facebook's revenue translate into even fatter profits.
Yeah, of course they will. That's why they're in the business of owning the shares, or want to be.
That's right.
What about, very quickly, what about mobile? How are they doing on mobile?
They're nowhere in mobile. I mean, it's a very popular mobile service. It's something like 500 million people a month accessing Facebook in mobile, but until recently they haven't made any effort to make money off those people. It's just starting to try.